Hello, friends! Welcome to Alex Daily English, Easy Way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy. Learn English every day with Alex. Let's start!
Good morning, Alex and Lily. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Lily. Good morning. I'm ready for school.
Eat well. Today will be a wonderful day. Everything looks delicious.
My favorite pancakes.
Here are your lunches.
Thank you, Mom. I can't wait for lunch.
Have a wonderful day.
Study hard.
Bye! Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Let's explore the solar system.
I know the answer.
Excellent work. Excellent work, everyone.
Let's go, Lily, for lunch.
Hi, Tom. Why are you sitting alone? I forgot my lunch. You can share my lunch. Really? Of course. Friends help each other. Thank you, Alex. You're welcome. You're my friend now.
Did you eat enough?
Yes. Sharing made me even happier. Mom, I share my lunch with Tom. Good, Alex. I am so proud of you. Tom is your friend. Yes, Mom. Tom needed help. What's this?
What?
Kindness always comes back. Who could have written this?
Maybe someone is secretly helping you.
I want to find out. Every day. Another note. Tomorrow, I'll stay after school.
We'll discover the secret together.
Now, let's find the secret. Please don't let anyone see me. Did you write these notes?
I saw you share your lunch with Tom. Kindness deserves encouragement.
My mom made this for you. Really? Thank you! Thank you for helping me. That's what friends do. Here, you can use my pencil.
Thank you.
I'm proud of all of you.
Look at all of you. Your kindness has made this classroom a wonderful place.
Helping friends feels good.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Principal.
I've heard wonderful things about your class. Congratulations! You are the kindest class in our school.
We did it! Kindness really changes everything.
So what did you learn today?
I learned that one small act of kindness can many hearts.
That is the greatest lesson of all.
I want to help people too.
So,
Always be remembered, kindness is your strength.
Yes, Mom.
I am proud of you kids.
Yeah! Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?